Hotties. Megan Fox. Rihanna. Jessica Alba. Hayden Panettiere. Jessica Biel. Orlando Bloom. Josh Duhamel. Zac Efron. T.I. Taylor Kitsch.
There's not a bad one in the whole bunch, but the hotties are Jessica Alba and Zac Efron.
How you doing?
I would like to dedicate this award to a young man who's been on my mind for the last 19 years, Ross. You know, so what? Thank you. Ross didn't love me. I was pigeon-toed. I had a sway back. I was slightly cross-eyed. Buck-toothed. I sucked my thumb. Look at me now, Ross. Look at me now. And I get to stand next to gorgeous boys like this one.
You know, there's... Thank you. There's so many award shows out there, guys. There's so many. But as far as I'm concerned, this is the only award because it is from you guys. And thank you. Thank you so much.